Hey guys, and welcome to Learn How to Dance, where you can find dance tutorials of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, popular dance moves, and other awesome dances. Alright, so I was asked to do a tutorial on how to do this last freestyle up bit in the Cardi B Up dance. So basically just did this shake your legs, wobble thing, whatever you want to call it. Alright, now let me break it down. So in order to do this move, there are 3 things that you need to do. One is that you need to be up on your toes, and when I mean up on your toes, I don't mean like this, where you take off your heels all the way up. You just need to have your weight on your toes, but you can keep your heels down here, alright? So, just like that. The other thing you need to do is go down a level, yeah? So you need to be down here, where there's more freedom to move your knees instead of up here. It's very limited, alright? Now, the third thing you need to do is make sure that you have the right distance between your legs. So if you're all the way up here, it's not gonna look the same as if you're in here. Hey, hey. Alright, so 1, weight is up on your toes. 2, make sure that you go down a level. And 3, have the right distance between your legs. You can experiment with this. Hey, hey. Alright, now from here you can, move around. So you take small steps, hey, hey, hey. And that's basically what I did in the freestyle, right? Added some arms as well. Up, and it's up, and it's up. Alright, just play around with it. Good luck! Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.